All right, time for our second video. On video number 1, we converted a decimal into a percent. Now we're going to do the opposite and convert a percent into a decimal. So we're going to do the opposite of what we did last time. Last time we moved our decimal 2 places to the right. To convert a percent to a decimal, we're going to move our decimal 2 places to the left. Move the decimal 2 places to the left. So 37% right here. 37 does not have a decimal, and it's percent, but just like a whole number without a percent sign, if we don't see a decimal, it's still at the end. So to change that from, I'll make that a little bit bigger. To change 37% into a decimal, I'm going to go 1, 2 swoops. So this is going to be the same as 0.37. Move it 2 places to the left. Over here, I have 9%. My decimal comes at the end. To change it to a decimal, I go 1, 2. So it's 0.09. And I'm just going to 0 in front of my decimal to serve as my whole number. Here I have 43.7%. I go 1, 2, 0.437, or 0 and 437 thousandths. I have 0.7% here. I'm going to go 1, 2, fill my placeholder. So I have 0.007. So 7 thousandths. Here I have 55.5 repeating percent. Don't know what I was going to say there. I'm still going to move it 2 places to the left. So I'm going to go 1, 2. So it was there. Now it's there. I'm just move it 1 time, 2 times. So my answer is going to be 0.5. And if you notice, this is 5, 5, and then repeating 5. Well, if I move it twice, it's now the same as 0.5, 5, 5, and that repeating bar there. Well, if that says it's repeating, and the numbers before it are 5 as well, well, they're all 5s. So I need to write that repeating bar once over 5, and I only need 1 5, because that says that those 5s go on forever. And here I have 5s going on forever too. So this would be 0 and 5 tenths repeating. And last but not least, I have 4 and 23 hundredths. I'm going to take that and go 1, 2 to the left. I'm left with 0.0423. If we go back to my alphabet, if we can imagine a D up here and a P up here, if I have a percent, I'm starting over here, and I want to convert to a decimal, I'm going to go to the left. And how many times do I go to the left? Well, we think we're dealing with a percent. Percent has 2 zeros, so I'm going to move it 2 times to the left. So if I'm going from a decimal to a percent, I move to the right twice. If I'm going from a percent to a decimal, I'm moving it to the left twice. Thank you, guys.